Hello. I bet you and I agree on one thing at least. Social media doesn't work. I mean, after all, we've got a blog, we tweet, we've got a presence on LinkedIn, we post, we comment, but we don't get any results. And certainly we don't get any dollars. Okay, the author of this book agrees with us. Social media doesn't work. But look at the subtitle. Unless you do. So that's the kicker. Social media can work if we do. But of course, we have to do it in the right way. And that's what this book is all about. A couple of key passages to share. Gina says, marketing has fundamentally changed. No longer is it just about getting people to look at our billboards or websites. It's no longer about interrupting people to look at me. Although many still approach it that way. Today, marketing is about creating something or some things that people are drawn to because they want it. They want to be smarter, more informed, more popular. Marketing is about drawing people closer to our virtual street corner. I like that, our virtual street corner. To engage with us, to get to know, like, and trust us. And so she goes on to say, we're mistaken today if we take the new tools that are available to us and use them in old ways. To interrupt and push our stuff onto every person that walks by, regardless of who they are. She says, it won't work. One of the recurring themes is the power of video in our marketing. Gina Schreck writes this, I know I keep mentioning this, but video is such an important and powerful marketing tool today that I can't say it enough. It is unlike anything else you can use to help you build rapport with your desired audience. There's one characteristic of Gina Schreck, which you may not find in every social media marketing expert. And it's this. Gina says, learn to lighten up and laugh at yourself. Not a nervous laughter that tells everyone that you have no idea what you're doing, but the kind of laughter that allows you to bump the microphone and still say, okay, this microphone is a lot bigger in person, folks. Lighten up and laugh. It not only makes you more comfortable, but it makes the audience more comfortable as well. Social media doesn't work unless you do. And I can tell you from my first reading of this book, and I will be reading it and studying it again and again. From my first reading of this book, I'll tell you that the keys to making social media work are in this book.